Why are factories still drowning in paperwork? Every time I walk into a factory, I can't help but notice the overwhelming amount of paperwork scattered everywhere. Everything is recorded manually, nothing seems to be organized. It's like stepping into a time capsule where chaos of papers dominates the scene. Why is this still happening in an age where digital solutions are at our fingertips? Well, here are the reasons why: resistance to change, perceived cost, lack of awareness. But here's the thing: sticking to paper based processes is costing more than you might think. It leads to errors, inefficiencies, and a lack of real time data visibility, which can severely impact the bottom line. This is where Harford Control's end to end MES and MI solution comes in. Our paperless quality, lab quality, and traceability solutions are designed to replace outdated manual processes with streamlined, efficient digital workflows. Imagine walking into a factory where real time data is at your fingertips. Compliance and quality control are automated. Processes are efficient. Productivity is at its peak. It's not just a dream, it's the reality. By partnering with Harford Control's end to end MES and MIS, factories can achieve higher operational efficiency, ensuring compliance, driving continuous improvement, making life easier, work more efficient for everyone on the production floor by adopting Harford's connected worker. Contact Harford Control today to see how we can help you. We look forward to catching up with you between the 24th to 26th of September at the PPMA Total Show in NEC Birmingham. Till then, take care.